On this episode of This Week in Space, we're talking to Jose Hernandez, former NASA astronaut and the subject of the great new biopic on Amazon Prime, A Million Miles Away.
When you think NASA, you think the latest and greatest, but then when you look at flight hardware, it's not the latest and greatest. I said I was the portable onboard computer guy. I mean, we were using IBM Think pads.
Right.
Pads, yeah.
The original ThinkPad.
Big, heavy ones, you know.
Previously on TWiT. Hands on Mac.
Coming up on Hands on Mac, it's time to talk about Passkeys and show you how easy it is to set up a passkey on your Mac.
Home Theater Geeks.
I talk with several members of the Value Electronics TV Shootout team and reveal the king of 4K TVs.
MacBreak Weekly.
New Apple Pencil is here. The new Apple Pencil is here.
And everybody was so excited about, we've got inside information about a big release this week. We're pretty sure it's going to be new iPads. Like, it's a pencil.
Folks, this is Apple Pencil 2 minus 0.5.
Oh, no.
Basically.
TWiT. Now also available in several colors of unapologetic plastic.
So I am.
What? No, I'm in my recording now.
Yeah, that happens at KFI every day. What? Mom, I'll take out the trash when I'm done. The stuff never gets on the Sunday reel, you know.